Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making pizza grilled cheese. What all goes into the pizza grilled cheese? 8 slices of sturdy bread. I decided to use ciabatta rolls, so I'll only be needing 4 of those. They are a little bit poofy here, so I'm going to see if I can't flatten them a little bit. I just couldn't find any sliced sturdy bread that I liked. You can use whatever you want. 4 tablespoons pizza sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 24 slices of pepperoni, and 2 tablespoons butter. So let's begin. All right, so to make these pizza grilled cheeses, they wanted something like sourdough or, something that was sturdy. Like I said, I got the ciabatta. I don't know how that will work. This bottom is pretty good, but I want to flatten this out a little bit so it will grill cheese pretty good. Then take a little bit of the pizza sauce. So it says 1 tablespoon on each piece of bread. I'm just using the tablespoon. And it's got holes in there, so it's going to actually fall in there. So it may be a little bit more saucy or not enough saucy, I don't know. What I'll do is a couple of these, and then the last 2 I'll do off camera. Then take 6 pepperonis on each slice. It's going to be a lot of pepperonis. I'm only going to do 4. Since my bread is not long, it's kind of square. It's not rectangle. And some of the other ones I was looking at, like the Italian or the French, they weren't very big pieces at all. And then put your mozzarella cheese on both slices. And then put them together to make a sandwich. Let's do that one more time. You could use regular bread like you would a regular grilled cheese too. I just think with everything on that, it might kind of fall apart, get kind of soggy. These holes are the things that I'm kind of worried about, because that's going to be falling down into the crevices and not really being on top. So like I said, I'm not sure about this one, but I love ciabatta bread. Dave loves ciabatta bread. I think you'll get the flavor anyway. 4 on these, 4 slices of pepperoni versus the 6 on each slice, and a little bit of mozzarella on each side, and slap it together. And I'll finish the other 2, and then we'll get ready to grill them. Preheat your griddle to 325. If you're using a skillet, use it medium-high heat. Once the griddle is preheated, and I can see it is smoking there, you'll want to add butter, and then you want to be quick about it to put your sandwiches on there. And just like a grilled cheese, when it gets brown on the bottom, we'll flip it over and grill the other side. You'll also want to check and make sure that the cheese is melted. As you can see, that is brown on that side. Make sure the innards don't fall out when you flip it. That one's looking really good. These don't take long at all. Here is the pizza grilled cheese sandwich. Rounding out the meal is dandelion infused vinegar deviled eggs and Cheetos. Let's see what Dave thinks.
The sandwich?
Yes, that is pizza grilled cheese with ciabatta bread.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's kind of like a stuffed crust pizza or a deep dish pizza. That was pretty good. Are those regular?
Those are not regular. Those are the dandelion infused vinegar deviled eggs. And I know how much you love vinegar deviled eggs. Just pop it in your mouth. Not any better?
Mm-hmm.
Is it worse?
No, I don't think so. But they're not. Well, they're kind of,
Bitey?
yeah, almost like a little bitter, kind of, sort of. But I mean, I can eat it. I don't go or anything like that. No, I still like regular deviled eggs better. But this is good. It's kind of crunchy. Yep, I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.